Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by sanitizing and chilling the metal ice cubes so they perform. Wash them with hot water and mild soap, then rinse well. This removes residues that affect flavor. Once clean, spread cubes on a flat tray and freeze for 1–2 hours. This firms the metal and reduces initial thermal shock. Make sure your serving glass is dry or pre-chilled. This controls initial temperature transfer and ensures the cubes drink rapidly rather than immediately warming. Next, you bring chilled cubes into the drink. Drop 2 4 cubes into your glass, matching the count to volume. More cubes mean faster cooling and less dilution compared to water ice. Once in, gently stir for 10–15 seconds to distribute cold. This equalizes temperature without bruising aromatics. Make sure not to clink cubes aggressively against the glass, which risks chipping or noise, and avoid using them in carbonated beverages, because metal chilling can accelerate carbonation loss and flatten the drink. Finally, you finish the service and handle cleanup. Remove cubes if guests prefer not to touch metal while sipping. Wipe rims to avoid drips. After use, hand wash cubes with mild soap, dry immediately, and refreeze flat so they stay uniformly cold. If you ever notice a metallic taste, stop using them, rewash thoroughly and inspect the outer coating or seals. If damaged, discontinue use to prevent flavor transfer. And remember, regular inspection keeps performance consistent and safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.